Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these adorable birth stat stuffed animals. These make great gifts, or you can even custom make them to sell. You'll start out by buying a stuffed animal that you want to use. I linked these adorable elephants in the description below. I start out by pressing the area I'm going to add my vinyl to. I use my mini heat press iron to do this. It's perfect for this project. I cut my wording out on heat transfer vinyl using my Silhouette cutting machine. You could also use a Cricut. I have linked the Silhouette file I used on my blog, posted in the description below, along with the fonts I used. This takes a bit of time to peel all the excess vinyl from around your font, but just be patient. It won't take too long. Once you're done peeling all your vinyl, it's time to iron it on our little elephant ears. At first you're going to want to line everything up, see how it fits, and then trim any excess backing. This will help line up your vinyl and prevent wrinkling when you're ironing it on. Once you have it all lined up, you're going to use your mini heat press to press it in place. Press firmly, following the vinyl instructions that came with your heat press vinyl. I like to do this in sections so everything lines up perfectly. Once you're all done pressing the vinyl on the right ear, you'll remove all the backing. Do this slowly, and if any of the vinyl is starting to peel up with the backing, just press again until it sticks. Now I moved on to the other ear, following the same instructions as the other side. Once you're all done pressing, peel off the backing. Look at your adorable elephant. After I'm all done, I like to use some parchment paper and press each ear one more time. And there you go. You have an adorable custom-made gift for your loved one. Don't forget to subscribe for more great crafting tutorials. See you next time.